Peace Bud 37 stealing my videos, guys. Didn't you see it? She opened up the camera, and now she's saying hi.
Hi.
See? Didn't I tell you she stole my camera? See? It's in her hands right now.
Yeah, it's in my hand.
Are you going to play patty cake with them? Patty cake, patty. Okay! It's in like your crotch. Sorry.
What?
What?
No way.
I'm just kidding. Like, I just, like, put the phone there and I realized that it was, like, on your legs. And I'm just like, yeah.
Okay.
That's dirt.
Okay, so this one's going to be called... If she doesn't... Ooh, bright light. Hello. Can you even see me?
Yes.
Because I can't see you, because that's a really bright light.
Okay, I can't tell if this is a parrot or a fish. Now it just sounds like someone who needs to be in an insane asylum.
You didn't need to see that. Sorry, Dad.
I would stop doing that if I were you.
I'm gonna cry now. See, here.
Whoa, that's cool. Your eyes are like right between.
I got really badly bumped today. So did I. No, you didn't.
No, you didn't. That doesn't help my blinking.
I don't think they want to close up on my face. I don't have a pretty face.
Yes, you do. Yes, you do.
I'm camera shy.
Why are you on YouTube then?
I'm such a liar, guys. Abby, we have to do an interview tonight.
Interview? What do you mean an interview? That kind of scared me. Ew!
I didn't do anything. Besides follow a fly. Duh. Isn't that what chameleons do? Y'all can't see me because I'm a chameleon. What are you talking about? I'm like, y'all can't see me because... Oh, what's in here?
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so say hi to Francesco. Are you reading my messages?
No, I'll sing with the time.
Say hi to Francesco. Francesco, and then Amigo's down there.
Okay, I gotta get Amigo. We have to see his face. I can't do it, Abigail. No, wait, no, we gotta do this door crap. Do you see the frog? Found it.
Itch, please. We ain't doing no Dora. This ain't ghetto. Just because his name is Amigo doesn't mean we have to add the Dora to it. Oh, and that's Francesca. Or, no, that's Alfredo.
That's Alfredo.
She wants me to get a red bunny and name him Red Brum. Or, you know, murder backwards.
What?
I know, she's awful, isn't she?
I said marinara, you little weirdo.
You said murder. You should have heard yourself.
I said marinara, not murder. Although that would be a pretty good name.
See?
For a red bunny.
See?
Or just dye that one red.
We have to go now because I have to kill somebody. I'm kidding. I have to resolve an issue. Bye, guys.